Good afternoon, YouTubers. Tsquare here with Tsquare Talk. So we got a package to open, and this is a fairly newer package, so that's pretty cool. I haven't had it for too long. It is some gold. We got some gold today in, and with that being said, gold's kind of acting funny right now. What I mean by that is we are seeing it really making some good strides, especially now sitting over 1900. At the time of filming this, we're at $1,915. So we're seeing some good moves on gold. A little disappointed on the silver because we're not really seeing big moves. I'm just going to take that slip out real quick. We're not really seeing any big moves though on silver, which is a little discouraging. But not really too worried about it because I'm in it for the long haul. And, you know, I was sitting there thinking yesterday, for the people that are out there saying that, there's a lot of people, believe it or not, don't believe gold and silver is going to go up. I read one comment, you know, when it goes over 2050, its all-time high, then we can talk about it. And then maybe I'll believe it will go somewhere. And my thoughts are, I'm just kind of feeling the package because I always get nervous when I open up packages with gold. The thing I want people to think about when it comes to gold or silver or anything for that matter is, do you believe really that they are going to 100% balance the budget and cut spending and just take ownership? Even if they don't take ownership of the mistakes, let's just say they blame it all on a previous administration and they say, we're going to do the right thing now. What do you think that's going to do to their voting polls the next time they're up for election? It will destroy them. People want, whether it be their benefits, whether it be handouts, whether it be job security, whether it be anything that is essentially a government program. People want their government programs, so they can never really get rid of it. And as that happens, that means that there's only going to be one scenario that could play out, and that's continue printing money. And if you're going to continue printing money, supply and demand, if there's less gold, less silver, less stuff, the price is going to go up. And then on top of that, you've got more people out there that are not working. And so that's less production. Less production is going to mean supply is going to be down. And if supply is down, prices are going to go up. It's inevitable. As we increase the money supply, the value of the dollar is going to continue coming down. Now, as you've seen, that's why we're seeing this big jump now. But a lot of people are thinking, oh, those CPI numbers that were released yesterday looked great. They're coming down. Maybe we did hit peak inflation. Maybe it's over. The real problem that people aren't seeing is that once people feel comfortable, that money that they got tucked away somewhere, whether that be in their bank account or under their mattress or wherever, they're going to get comfortable and they're going to start spending again. And once they start spending, you can expect stuff to go up. That's why I'm a firm believer in gold and silver, other precious metals, other solid assets, commodities, that type of stuff, because I believe it. We're seeing Bitcoin. Bitcoin had a nice jump. I'm not a Bitcoin person, but it did have a big jump now. So let's take a look at the two coins that we did get in. I don't know what they'll scan at. So these were the last two in the company's inventory. And at the end of the year, I ordered this coin the last week of December. I don't remember which day it was. Because one, it is a quarter ounce of gold. Some people out there might say, well, it's not actually a quarter ounce of gold. It's 0.2416. That's pretty close to an ounce of gold. At the end of the day, if you had 4 of these, you are only going to have basically 96 point something gold. So not quite 1 ounce if you had 4 of them, but it's close enough to a 1/4 ounce that I call it a 1/4 ounce. Excuse me. This coin actually has on the label, it's signed by Michael Reagan, who is the son of Ronald Reagan, who made it possible that we can own gold coins again publicly and not have to hide it. This is a commemorative $5 coin, not to be confused that it's a $5 coin. Oh, it must only be 1/10 of an ounce. I don't think it says a 1/4 ounce on there, but if you know your coins, you know that commemoratives are always 1/4 ounces, or just shy of a 1/4 ounce. Are there exceptions? There could be. There was a Mercury dime, commemorative Mercury dime that was gold, I think in 2016, I think it was. That was only 1/10 of an ounce of gold, but still that was a really cool coin. So I helped someone negotiate on that. So, but really cool coin. I'm excited to scan this and see what this is going to scan at on the NGC app. So beautiful coin. The other one, I don't remember if it's the same one. Okay, it is the same one. I wasn't sure if it was the same coin or if it was slightly different. So I did get 2 of them. I got a good deal on them, so I took them. And gold's starting to shine. I'm not going to lie, I'm a little discouraged right now. I'm going to tell you why I'm discouraged, but after I'll tell you a little bit why I'm a little positive too. People that have been stacking silver for so long are seeing gold really run away right now. I mean, it's been a while since I've seen the gold percentage gains higher than the silver percentage gains. I mean, darn, the other day we had gold go up by, $30-40, and we had silver come down. I said, how does that even make sense? But here's what's really, in my opinion, going on. We know there's a lot of manipulation on silver. We're talking huge amounts of manipulation contracts. Eventually, them contracts are going to have to settle. So it's in their best interest to continue manipulating it down and try to clear as much as they can. Now, I've heard some people tell me before when I've tried explaining this to people, well, if you are shorting even more, and because you can't, how do you short it and then get rid of some? It's not a matter of how you short it. It's a matter of who's shorting it. At the end of this road, the silver, I believe, the silver bag, I'm going to call it, of shorts are going to be held by one bank. One major bank or one major company is just going to be holding tons of shorts. Why? Because unfortunately, in our tax system, a lot of people like to funnel their assets to one company, and then their liabilities will be left with the current company. And then what does that do? That leaves a company that has no assets under their belt and nothing but debt. And then they bankrupt it away, and that's it. Losses are written off, and so on and so on. And the rich people, or the people that were smart enough to do it, even though I think it's dirty, but people do it, are basically moved into another company that they privately own and they control. And then it stays afloat. And they got away with the manipulation of silver for this long. And I believe gold is manipulated, but I think it's a little harder to manipulate right now, gold, because there's countries that are buying it up. And I don't really think the average American is taking advantage of cheap gold and silver prices. More and more I hear people tell me, I heard someone tell me, no, they were going to wait for gold to go down before they bought. That was at 1800. And, you know, it jumps up to 1850, and then it has a $10 dip, and they're like, see, it dipped $10 today. I said, yeah, but it went up $50 the day before. You know, even this 19, if you've been following this, I mean, maybe I'm addicted to this. I'd be curious if you guys do this too. Check it every single day. I don't even check gold and silver prices once a day. I check it like 3-4 times a day. I'm constantly watching it. I mean, just to see what's going on, looking for the dip opportunities, looking to see what's going on. I was scared last night, and I had wished I'd ordered some more of these, But by the time I looked online, and we're talking $600 and something now, I said, oh, that's too much. I can't pay 600 and something for a quarter of an ounce, and I don't even know what this is going to scan at yet. So I'm hoping I'm going to scan it, and it's going to be a rarer coin. And what I mean by that, for those of you that don't know, I used to just look at this as a quarter ounce of gold. However, if they didn't make many of these, then it becomes a quarter ounce of gold with a little extra collectible value. A lower mintage commemorative coin is going to fetch a higher premium because you have the gold and you have a collectible. And it basically doubles your opportunity to trade it off or to sell it later on. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys liked this purchase. I thought it was a pretty cool package opening, and it was something good to talk about because I read every comment you guys write. So please leave a comment, and I totally understand that, yes, the currency's coming down. I got a comment the other day, no, gold's not going up, the currency's coming down. That is true, the currency is coming down, but as a result of the currency coming down, we're seeing gold go up, we're seeing silver go up, we're seeing everything go up. If you've already got your metals, then hey, just kick back, enjoy the roller coaster ride up. If you don't have many yet, well, I would keep a sharp eye. None of this is financial advice, nor should it be taken as such. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys put some thought into what I'm saying. And I hope you guys left me a comment and hit that subscribe button and that thumbs up. So with that being said, thank you all for watching. I will see you guys again on Tsquare Talk. And you guys have a great day. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.